Hey everyone, here is what we've been up to lately. I haven't been videoing as much as I normally do, but here are some of the moments that I caught these last couple weeks. Here's what the sunflowers looked like a couple weeks ago. They're starting to dry up and turn, so they don't look like that anymore. We combined oats. The kids weren't in school yet, so they were a lot of help during harvest. We moved some pears to new pasture, and the kids weren't in school yet, so they helped with this too, which was really nice to have them. This is one of my favorite pastures on the ranch. I just think it's so pretty. We baled up some of the oat straw. Started wheat harvest. did have one day, maybe 1.5 days of rain delay, but oats and wheat harvest are both done, and next will be soybeans. Thanks for watching. Bye!